Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. Let us see what is coming up, guys, for your general energies and for your love energies, Capricorn. So what is coming up for you all? Nine of Wands, Five of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. Capricorn, with these cards, this person has great interest in you and they feel really responsible, or they may feel you are a very responsible person in this relationship and they want to be there with you. Maybe certain things are not going the way they should, maybe in your work or in your personal life. You are facing certain struggles. Maybe some of you all may be having some health issues, some minor sickness, something. But this person is there for you always through thick and thin. So they are sticking by you, by your side, whatever it is and however the situation is. So they have this great affection towards you and understanding, guys, and you are having a good person whom you can rely on and whom you can trust with your secrets and with whatever burdens you have in your mind, guys. And maybe for some of you all in your work, or you may face certain delays and suspensions, maybe some kind of delays in the projects succeeding, or some financial investments. You are facing certain delays, guys. That is also the energy here. Maybe some obstacles are coming your way, even in your relationship. Something may come to hinder your relationship. Though you have this great understanding with this person, you are finding certain difficulties. These may be some financial difficulties that you're facing, or relating to your job or your business, something, guys, something, some financial troubles may be there. That is also the energy with these cards. But this person is staying by your side, so they have this great love towards you. That is the energy here, guys. Let us see what is coming with the other cards, Capricorn. What is the energy? Stars, bouquet, choice. So with these cards, maybe you will be seeing a clear path in your life, the way you have to go to manifest your goals, whatever you have in life, guys. And you are feeling that great inspiration and guidance within you and optimism. So maybe after these struggles, you will be come to a clear understanding of your situation. So you are the one who has the ruling hand over your fate. So you have to be having that optimism in your heart to overcome all that obstacles you face in life and reach your goal, whatever it is. So you are feeling that inspiration and guidance. That is the energy with these cards, guys. And you are going to come to a clear understanding in your situation. So whatever it is, you are having that confidence in your mind, and you are feeling really grateful for this person in your life. Maybe this person is coming with a gift, or a gift of love, proposing their love to you. Maybe that may be the reason for this positive vibration in your life, some positive energy, giving that confidence and guidance, inspiration in your life. And you have made your choice, guys, in life. Whatever it is, you have made a clear choice what you want to do, what you want to reach. So maybe for some of you all, you are dealing with many challenges, but you are aware of the direction you want to go, and you are what to say, aware of the things that you need to do today to manifest those goals. So that is the energy here. So the choice is not at all wrong. So only the goal, wherever we are going to reach, that is what we have to manifest. So whatever choice we make is not wrong in life, guys. So only thing is we need the direction what we want to achieve. So that is the energy with these cards, Capricorn. So the overall energy for this reading is that this person will stay with you no matter what. That is what they feel. So that is the energy here. That is the reading for you all, Capricorn. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.